Hello, welcome back to your channel. Friends, we have already completed two questions of practice set uh, linear equation in two variable. Okay, 5.1 practice set we already covered in the previous video, first question and two question along with the first and second question of the practice set. If you haven't seen, please go to the channel and watch the full video. Okay, now this is the part 2 video of the practice set 5.1. So we'll continue. We'll take today 3, 4 and 5 and 6 questions. Very important. Simultaneous equations as far as the 10th point of view is very important. Okay. So let's start our new video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. And if you really like the video, please thumbs up and please share your comment also. Okay. So let's have a third question. 3x minus 5y equal to say 16 and x minus 3y is equal to 8. I have already written the questions. Okay. So what we have to do is for the first step, we need to give the equation number 1 and 2 here. So 3x minus 5y, okay, equal to 16. We need to give equation number 1. Okay. Similarly, this one also. X minus 3y is equal to 8. This is equation number 2. Now what we have to do is we have to equate one variable and we have to cancel and we have to take out the one answer of one variable. Okay, and likewise we need to substitute the that part of the variable into equation number 1 or 2 and you have to take out the both the answers. So this is the linear equation 2 variables. So we have to take out the answer of x and y also. Okay, now see here 3 is there. Okay, so in the equation 2 we have to take out the 3 also here. So we need to multiply this equation 2 by 3. Okay, so multiply equation 2 by 3. Okay, in the equation 1 3 is there, so we need to take 3 one more here also in the equation 2, so we need to multiply by 3. Now we need to multiply all the entire equation by 3. So 3 into x is 3x minus 3 3s are 9y and 3 8s are 24. This is equation number 3. Okay, now we need to concentrate on equation number 1 and 3 here. Now see here also 3x and here also 3x plus 3x, how it get cancelled? By subtracting. Okay, so we need to subtract equation 1 and 2. Subtract equation 1 and 2. Okay, so we have to subtract it. So 3x, equation number 1 is 3x minus 5y is equal to 16, equation number 1. Equation number 2 is again 3x minus 9y equal to 24. Okay, so for subtracting plus 3x get cancelled and this is minus become plus and this is plus becomes minus only. Okay, so minus 5y and plus 9y will give you 4y. Okay, we need to check the bigger value sign here and is equal to, now 16 minus 24 is minus 8. Okay, so we need to take out the value of y. So y is equal to minus 8 upon 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we'll get the answer of y. Okay, so the value of y is minus 2 and again this value of y we need to put in either in equation number 1, 2 or 3. We'll get the same answer of x. So we need to put y equal to minus 2 in equation number suppose 1. So what is equation number 1 here? So the equation 1 is 3x minus 5y equal to 16. Okay, so 3x minus 5 into, we need to put the value of y here. So what is the value of y? We got it minus 2. We need to take into the bracket here equal to 16. So 3x will remain as it is only. Minus into minus is plus. So 5 to the 10 is equal to 16. Okay, now 3x, directly we go to the equal to sign, put down the 16 plus 10, we need to shift over there, so it becomes minus 10. So 3x is equal to 16 minus 10 is 6. Okay, take out the value of x here. So x is equal to 16 by 3. Okay, so 3 to the 6 here. So therefore the value of x we got it 2 here. Understood? So the value of 2 is, value of x is 2 and the value of y is minus 2. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, let's go to the next question, question number 4. In the textbook, we got the question number 4, 2y minus x is equal to 0 and one more equation is there, 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. Okay, so this is the question is there, right? Same process we need to follow. Okay, so we need to give the equation number 1. This is, so 2y minus x is equal to 0. We need to give equation number 1, and similarly here also. Okay, now here y is there. Okay, so we need to put the x first. Okay, so we need to give this minus x becomes plus x, and this plus 2y becomes minus 2y equal to 0. We need to give this equation number 1. Okay, now similarly 10x will remain as it is only. So 10x plus 15y is equal to 105, equation number 2. Okay, now see here in the second equation it is 10 is there, and in the first equation 10 is not there, only x is there. So what we have to do is we need to multiply equation 1 by 10. Okay, we need to multiply equation 1 by 10. So we need to write here multiply equation 1 by 10. Okay, so we need to multiply the equation by 10. So 10 into x is 10x minus 10 2s are 20y and 10 zeros are 0. We need to give equation number 3. Now see here, equation 2 and 3 we need to consider here now. This is plus 10x and plus 10x. How the plus 10x and plus 10x get cancelled? By doing the simple subtraction. Okay, so we need to write one statement here. Subtract equation 2 and 3. Okay, so what is equation number 2 here? 10x plus 15y is equal to 105, equation number 2. And similarly we need to write here equation number 3 also. So 10x minus 20y is equal to 0. So we need to subtract here. Just pay a little attention when you're doing the sign. This subtract, this minus will become plus, and this is plus minus. Okay, this second minus will become plus here. So 10x get cancelled because plus 10x. Now plus 15y and plus 20y, it is 30y. 35y is equal to 105 minus 0 is 105. Take out the value of y here. So y is equal to 105 divided by 35. 35 ones are 35, 35 twos are 70, and 35 threes are 105. So we get a value of y. So y is equal to 3. Now same process. This value of y we need to put either in equation number 1, 2 or 3. We will get the same answer of x. So put y equal to 3 in equation number suppose 1. So what is equation number 1 here? X minus 2y equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Okay. So x will remain as it is only 2y. So 2 into, what is the value of y here? So value of y is 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 3s are 6 here. So 6 equal to 0. Now we need to take out the value of x. So therefore x is equal to minus 6 will become plus 6. So we'll get the value of x also. Okay. So x equal to 6 and y equal to 3 is the solution of the equation. Okay. Understood everyone? Okay, now let's go ahead with the next question, question number 5th now. Let's check out the question number 5th. 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, and similarly x minus 5y is equal to 11. Okay, so we need to state up this equation in the general form. So therefore 2x plus 3y equal to plus 4 becomes, this plus 4 becomes minus 4. Okay, understood? So this equation we need to give equation number 1. So 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, similarly this one, x minus 5y is equal to 11. So we need to give equation number 2. This. Now see here it is 2 and here only x is there. So this equation 2 we need to multiply by 2. Okay, so multiply equation 2 by 2. Multiply equation 2 by 2. Okay, so this entire equation we need to multiply. So 2 into x is 2x minus 2 5s are 10, so 10y, and 2 into 11 is 22. This is equation number 3. Okay, now 1 and 3 we need to subtract here because plus x plus 2x will get cancelled by doing the subtraction. So subtract equation 1 and 3. Okay, so what is the equation number 1? 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4, and again equation number 3, 2x minus 10y is equal to 22. So we need to do subtraction here. Subtract, this minus will become plus and here minus. Okay, so plus 2x will get cancelled here. Okay, now plus 3y and plus 10y is 13y. Pay attention. Okay, now minus 4 and minus 22. So minus into minus is plus. So 4 plus 22 is 26. We need to give the minus sign. So minus 26. Okay, take out the value of y here. So y is equal to minus 26 divided by 13. So 13 2s are. So the value of y is minus 2. Okay, so again this value of y we need to put in either in equation number 1 or 2. We'll get the answer of x will remain same. Okay, so put y equal to minus 2 in equation number suppose 1. So what is equation number 1 here? So equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4. So 2x plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So 2x plus into minus is minus, 3 2s are 6 is equal to minus 4. Okay, so take out 2x is equal to minus 4. Minus 6 we need to shift over there, so it becomes plus 6. Okay, so 2x is equal to 2 here. So take out the x here. So therefore x is equal to 2 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2. So therefore the value of x is also 1. Okay, understood everyone? So this is the answer of question number 5. So one more question is there of the practice set 5.1. So we'll take 5.1 also. Last question, question number 6. So question number 6 says that 2x minus 7y equal to 7. Okay, it's not visible properly. The second equation is 3x plus y is equal to 22. Now what we have to do is the same process we need to follow here. Okay, so this is 2x minus 7y equal to 7. The equation is already in the general form. We need to check whether the equation is in the general form or not. So 2x minus 7y equal to 7. We need to give this equation number 1. And similarly 3x plus 7y, sorry, only y is there. So y is equal to 22 in equation number 2. Okay. Now check here. Here 2 and 3 is there. But here minus 7y and here plus y is there. So what we have to do is we need to multiply equation 2 by 7. Okay, now opposite sign is there, so when we add it, so minus 7y and plus 7y will get cancelled. So what we have to do, we have to write one statement, multiply equation 2 by 7. Multiply equation, okay, equation 2 by 7. Okay, so we need to multiply entire equation with 7. So 7 3s are 21 here, so 21x plus 7 into y is 7y. And 7 2s are 14, 7 to the 14 plus 1, 15. So this is equation number 3. 7 into 22 is 154. Okay. Now we have to check equation number 1 and 3. Okay. So 1 and 3 we need to subtract, we need to add it because opposite sign is there with the same real number and same variable. Whenever the opposite sign is there, we need to add the equation. And whenever the same sign is there, we need to subtract it. Okay. So keep this in mind. So add equation or adding equation 1 and 3. So what is equation number 1? 2x minus 7y equal to 7, and equation number 3 is 21x plus 7y equal to 154. Okay, so we need to add it. Plus 7y minus 7y will get cancelled here. So 21x and plus 2x is 23x is equal to, now see here, 154 plus 7 is 161. Okay, so we need to take out the value of x here. So x is equal to 161 divided by this 23. Okay, now we need to check here whether this 23 come into the 161. So 23 sevens are, okay, 23 sevens are is 161. Okay, so we get the value of x. So x is here 7. Okay. Now we need to take out the value of y also. So put x equal to 7 in equation number 1. Okay, in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1 here? Equation number 1, 2x minus 7y is equal to 7. Okay, so we need to substitute the value of x into this equation. So 2 into 7 minus 7y equal to 7. So 2 7s are 14 here, minus 7y equal to 7. So take out the value of 7y. Okay, we need to take out the value of y here from here. So check the minus sign also. So you have to bring down the minus sign also. Minus 7y equal to 7. Plus 14 we need to shift over there. So it becomes minus 14. Okay, so minus 7y is equal to 7 minus 14 is minus 7. So from the both the side, minus minus will get cancelled. Take out the value of y here. So y is equal to 7 upon 7. So 7 ones are 7. So therefore the value of y is 1. Okay. So I hope you understood all the 4 questions. Very easy, very important as far as the 10th point of view. Okay. So I hope you understood this video. Okay. So take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Till then, bye for now.